Good morning, my dear children. Please take out GK book page 45. Get well soon. Get well soon. Now, from this chapter, we'll come to know there are many spices which we use for cooking, and these have got some medicinal effect, understood, which we put for cooking, and while we eat this, there are various type of effects that we get which is good for our health. So we'll come to know from this chapter today. Now, the spices in our kitchen have numerous medicinal properties. They can be cured for many things. Read the clues, write the names of these spices, choose from the box. So, we will find here the names of turmeric, cloves, cardamom, carom seeds, coriander seeds, cinnamon, and cumin seeds. So each of these spices which we take, it helps us to cure some or the other diseases in our body. So first of all, number one, to get relief from sore throat, boil few sticks of this in the water and gargle it. When you catch cold, children, you have sore throat. Mild pain is there and your voice doesn't come out clearly. In that case, you can take warm water and put what? Put cinnamon in it and boil it. And with that water, you should gargle. After gargling, you get relief. So to relieve from the sore throat, we boil few sticks of what? In the water, cinnamon. Number 2, to ease muscle pain, fry few of these in coconut oil and massage gently. When you have muscular pain in your body, you can use this. What it is? It is a carom seeds. Number 2 answer is carom seed. And you mix that with oil, and you take little carom seed, fry it up and mix it with coconut oil, and then gently apply in the places where you have the muscular pain. Slow, gradually you will get relief. Number 3, these are rich in vitamins and iron. Boil them in water and strain it and drink. So this spice is rich in what? In vitamins and iron. And we need to boil it and strain it out. And then drink the water. What it is? It is coriander. It is coriander seeds. Number 4, caught a cold. Drink tea in which a few of these pods had been boiled. So when you catch cold, to get relief, you should drink in tea what you can put? Cardamom. See, cardamom. And what happened? You boil it and then you drink that water, you feel better. And gradually, what happened? You feel much relaxed from cold. Number 5, it is a natural antiseptic. In case of cut or burn, sprinkle a little of it. So when you get cut or burn, it acts as an antiseptic. What it is? It is turmeric. It is turmeric. Number 6, to get relief from dysentery, means loose motion. Drink the water in which few of these have been boiled. So in the water you boil this. What seed it is? It is cumin seed. And you drink, your loose motion will stop. The dysentery will gradually get cured. So if you have toothache or gumache, you need to chew cloves. Number 7 answer is cloves. And then you get relief from the pain. So number 1 answer is Chinnanam, relief from sore throat. Number 2, get ease from the muscular pain. We take carom seeds. To get rich with vitamins and iron, we take coriander. If you catch cold, to feel better, we drink with tea what? Cardamom. Number 5, it is an antiseptic. It's a natural antiseptic. You put in cut on wound and everything. And it is called turmeric. Number 6, to get relief from dysentery means loose motion. Drink water what? With few of this being boiled. You put cumin and boil it and then cool the water and then take it. It's good for the treatment of dysentery. If you have toothache, for that you need to chew what? Cloves. You need to chew cloves. So we came to know here, to get well soon, what are the tips means and what are the spices which after taking which we can get relief. Now come to page 44, riddles. The previous page, riddles. Here are some of the riddles given. You have to find out the name. Number 1, pick one up and scratch my head. What was red is black indeed. Saying you pick it up and then you scratch the head and it is red becomes and black instant. After red it becomes black. It is matchsticks. Number 1 answer is matchstick. Number 2, I travel over the world but I stay in a corner. So what travels? You know, a letter is being posted to one country to the other, and in the corner what do we have? Stamps. So it is saying I travel all over the world but I stay in the corner. It is stamp. S-T-A-M-P, stamp. Number 3, use me but after breaking me. Saying you use me but only you can use after breaking me. It is egg. E-G-G, egg. Number 4, I have an eye but I cannot see. It is needle. I have an eye but I cannot see. A needle has got a hole at down which you call an eye. Number 5, everyone has it and no one can lose it. It is shadow. Whether it's a plant or a human being or an animal, whatever it may be, reflection of shadow falls. So shadow is what which everybody has and one can lose it. No one can lose it. It's shadow. Number 5. Number 6, feed me I live. Give me a drink and I die. Saying feed me when I live, when the fire is there, what happened? It gives heat where the food is cooked, but give me a drink and I die. But if you put water on it, the fire extinguishes. It goes off. Number 6 answer is fire. Number 7, look at the numbers on the face. You will not find 13. So clock is just like a face, isn't it? And it had got hands all marked up to 12. But 13 is not there. So it's a clock. Number 8, you can catch me but you cannot throw me. Saying you can catch but you cannot throw me. It is cold. Cold catches you very badly and you have to take medicine, everything. Then only you can get recovered. But you cannot take out your cold and remove it. No. Number 9. It's always coming but never arrives. Saying it's always coming but it doesn't turn up. What it is? Tomorrow. Children, what? Tomorrow. Saying it always comes but never arrives. Tomorrow always comes but it never arrives. Number 10. Cut me and I will cut, but you will. Saying cut me but I will not cry, but you will. Saying it is such a thing, when you cut, you start crying. But that particular thing doesn't cry. What it is, children? It is onion. As you chop onion, you find the water comes out due to that strong smell of it. Number 11. I go around in the cities but always straight ahead. I never complain, no matter wherever I am led. Saying that, see, I go around the circles, means it goes on moving everywhere, always straight ahead. But I never complain, no matter what I am led. Saying it keeps moving, but it never complains about itself. What it is, children? It is wheel. W-H-E-E-L, wheel. Number 12. I can run, but I never walk. I have a mouth, but I never talk. I have a head, but I never keep. I have a bed, but I never sleep. It is river. What it is, children? It is river. Saying I can run. I run means it keeps moving, but it cannot walk. It has a mouth. The river comes and opens in one place, but it cannot talk. It has got a head, but never weeps, means cry. I have a bed. The river always have a bed, but it never sleep. So it's a river. So children, today I have done 2 more pages, and so coming week is your unit test, so you will not be having class, and before the holidays I'll take 1 more class before the Christmas holiday. Okay, so I end my class today, and I'll be giving you some work. Please see you solve those in your copies. Okay, today the class is over. We'll meet again on the next class.